I'm going to show you how you do a double crochet. You take your yarn, make about a 4 to 6 inch length, wrap it around your finger and make a knot. Put the hook through the hoop and tighten. Now, this is how I grab it. And we make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for a double crochet, you need an extra loop on the hook. So you chain 1, and then you go yarn over and you insert into the second chain from the hook. So then it looks like this. Now you yarn over and pull up, so you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 more. Now for the next one, you go yarn over and you go into the next chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there's your double crochet.